How to fix YouTube something went wrong issue on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this error on your YouTube application, here are some fixes that should help. This error usually appears when the YouTube's video player cannot load, often because of network or app issues. So first and foremost, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test your connection. Then tap on Retry. A poor network can be the culprit. However, if that's not the case, tap on the app switcher or swipe through the home screen. Then after clear all the application along with YouTube. This way you force close the YouTube app. Once you reopen, it can often clear the temporary glitches. If this does not work, restart your device once and then open your YouTube app. Also, make sure that you have updated your iOS as well the YouTube application to the latest version. To update the application, head over to your App Store. Once you are on your App Store, search for YouTube. If you see an update button, make sure to tap on it, and this way you will get the latest version with the fixes of all bugs that's available. However, if this does not work, you must also try to offload or reinstall the app. To do so, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, go to the general option. Tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Once you are on the iPhone storage, tap on YouTube. Once you are on YouTube, tap on offload app. Once offloaded, make sure to reinstall the app and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.